this is what we do on fireworks night, okay? Excuse me.
What?
What are they doing?
Oh, I don't know. This is the bigger group, you know, the bigger type of guy. Okay? Say this one. They bring like.
Oh my god, that's so loud.
Can I tell you what you do? Right. Fireworks night in England. This is what everybody does. Why are they fucking loud? It's really good. Why are fireworks? Why are fireworks?
Because the Chinese guys brought them, I don't know why.
What?
Because the Chinese guys brought them, I don't know why. God, they're so loud.